Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make kimchi spam. First, gather your ingredients. 1 can of spam, about 1 cup of kimchi, 2 cups of cooked white rice, and 2 eggs. Make sure your kimchi is well fermented for that perfect tangy kick. You'll also need some cooking oil and a few optional garnishes like sesame seeds or green onions. This simple dish comes together quickly with minimal fuss. Next, let's prepare the main components. Slice your spam into half-inch thick pieces. Heat a pan over medium heat and pan-fry the spam until it's beautifully golden brown and slightly crispy on both sides. Remove the spam and in the same pan, add your kimchi. Sauté it for about 3 to 5 minutes, allowing its flavors to deepen and soften. You can add 1 tablespoon of kimchi juice for extra moisture. Now for the assembly. In a large bowl, combine your warm, freshly cooked rice with the pan-fried spam and sautéed kimchi. Gently mix everything together, ensuring that the flavors are well distributed throughout the rice. You can also add a drizzle of sesame oil for an extra layer of aroma. Serve this delicious mixture immediately, perhaps topped with a perfectly fried egg for a complete meal. To elevate your kimchi spam, consider garnishing with toasted sesame seeds or freshly chopped green onions for a burst of freshness. For those who love a bit more heat, a dash of gochujang or some red pepper flakes can be mixed in to your preference. This dish is incredibly versatile and perfect for a quick, satisfying meal any day of the week. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to make your life easier and your home sparkling clean.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.